So, Diesels, what do you want to do tonight? I don't know, Diesel. It's your choice, not ours.
What are we doing tonight, Diesel?
That's why I just asked Sydney. What do you guys want to do tonight?
How about we do a game out of Spin the Bottle?
Oh, great idea, Chillin Paxton. I love Spin the Bottle.
I'll go and look for some bottles. Oh, there's a few over there. I can go and get.
How about we gather all of the Diesels in this house to play Spin the Bottle?
Oh yeah, so that way the Diesels will have a game night. How does that sound? I think it sounds great, I guess.
Oh, I love the sound of that. Me too. We're going to gather every diesel engine that's in this house. Alright? I'm just gonna go and... Hang on, who's at the door? I'll get the door. Okay. Who would answer the door in this time of the evening? Ah, hello there. What's your name? Oh, I am Cockroach Burt, or Icky Iron Burt if you ask me. Why do you have cockroaches all over you? They're not real cockroaches, they're just decals. I'm part of the Icky thing for this year. Oh, really? Oh, you're the last Icky Mini left in our collection. Welcome to our collection, Cockroach Burt. Thank you, Diesel. Wait, you know my name? Yeah, I'm part of the checklist, and you're there. Oh, right. What brings you here, Cockroach Burt? Well, I'm just here to spray some insects that are crawling in this house. I need to find a place to live. Can I live here? Why, yes, of course. I can take you upstairs. Oh, goody. Can't wait to see what's up there. Alright, diesel engines. Tonight, we're playing Spin the Bottle.
What's Spin the Bottle?
Don't you know what it is, Sydney? Hey, everyone, I'm back.
Ah, look who showed up. Who's that diesel engine with you?
Yeah. Everyone, this is Cockroach Iron Burt, part of the Icky thing for this year.
Hello. It's got cockroaches all over him. I don't like cockroaches. What's a cockroach? They're little insects that appear in front of inside of people's houses for no reason.
Because it's summer, there's gonna be lots. Good thing I'm here to help spray them all out.
Oh, I see.
Well, they're not as spooky as the spooky minis, are they? No, I'm just here to join this collection. So what are we doing tonight? We're playing Spin the Bottle. I've made old school salty, Chillin Paxton, Sydney and Iron Burt gather every single diesel engine in this collection.
Wow, that certainly is a lot of diesels. I know, tell me about it. We're missing two more, unfortunately. Which two diesels are you missing?
I don't know, I'll explain later. Alright, diesels. Who's gonna go first? And playing Spin the Bottle. I'll go first. You sure about that, Cockroach Burt? Yes. I think when you hit someone, you tell them what to do. Yes, that's the game. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Oh, hey, watch it. Sorry. Make some room. Oh. Okay. Here it goes. What the heck? You've hit diesel 10, have I? Oh. What do you want me to do, Cockroach Burt? I need you to go outside and take out the rubbish. Take out the rubbish? Ugh, that's a smelly job. I know, it's what diesel engines like you normally do, like the other diesel 10s around. We're right here. We can hear you. Okay, guys, okay. I'll go and take out the rubbish. Another doorbell? Who could it be this time? Keep playing, guys. Who is it this time? Hello, Diesel. Nice to see you. Aussie Thomas guy? Why is the door closed? Oh, it's just that it's a bit cold outside. I thought we'll just close the door. Anyway, I just need to tell you something. Yes, Aussie Thomas guy, what is it? I have a delivery for Sydney. Wait, did Sydney order this? Yeah, I don't know what he's talking about. Here, you take it, Tim. Okay. Thanks for the delivery, Aussie Thomas guy. You're welcome, Diesel. I must go now. You have a nice night. You too. Hey, Dieselton, how was the trash? Oh, it was horrible. Scruff should have been doing that job because he's very good at collecting trash. Hold on, who's got the bottle now? Oh, don't hit me, don't hit me. Who's hit me? I did. Graffiti Paxton, what do you want? Steelworks Diesel 10. I need you to... I need you to hang the clothes on the line. But it's night time. I can only do that during the day. Oh, sorry, you are still gonna hang the clothes, but how about tomorrow? What? Tomorrow you're gonna hang the clothes on the line. Hey guys, can you pause the game for a second? Oh, what is it this time, Diesel? Yeah, what is it? We were just playing. Aussie Thomas guy answered the door, and this package is for you, Sydney. A package? For me? Oh, thank you, Diesel. I can't wait to open it tomorrow. Why can't you open it now? Because, I forgot. We're playing, stupid. Oh, right, we are playing. Who's gonna look after my package? I'll look after your package. Thank you, Chillin' Paxton. You're welcome. Alright. Now, resume playing, please. Oh. Okay. Alright. Now it's my turn to play the bottle. Oh, I wonder how this is gonna go. Yeah. I'm going to spin the bottle. I'm gonna choose... Alien Paxton. Oh, what is it now, Diesel? I need you to go outside and... Oh, a doorbell? Oh. Just... How about you come with me? Do I come with you? Yes, just come with me. We'll answer the doorbell together. Okay. You guys keep playing. What you want, Diesel? A pizza box? Why would there be a pizza box? I don't know, Dean's Alien Paxton. Who would put this pizza box there? Hello. Ah, you must be Peter Thomas. Thomas told us about you. Yeah, I'm delivering pizzas tonight. This is your pizza that you've ordered. Oh good, our pizza is here. Wait, you've ordered pizza? Yes, I did, Alien Paxton. You're here to help me take this pizza upstairs so we can all eat it together. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Now, move this thing. Oh, which way is going, Diesel? Oh, sorry. Right, I better get back to Domino's. You Diesels enjoy your pizza. Why do I have to go overboard? That's part of the game, Spooky Salty. Alright. Now, who's next? I'm next. Okay, Graffiti Paxton. Wait, didn't have your turn? Oh yeah, I did. How about you, Sweet Cindy? What game are we playing? We're playing Spin the Bottle. Guys, sorry to interrupt, but why is there a large pizza box? Large pizza box? I don't know who this is. Alright, everyone move.
Diesel, what is this? Come grab your pizza. Oh wow! Did you hear that, Sydney? We're gonna have some pizza and play spin the bottle. Whoa! I wish I was having some pizza. Well, I suppose that having pizza and playing spin the bottle can be a good thing. Alright everyone. Who wants some pizza? We want pizza! We want pizza! Pizza, you say? I love the sound of that. Oh, wait for me, mateys! Why would they rush so quickly? I guess they want some pizza. They must be really hungry. Come on, let's have some pizza together. Okay, we'll play spin the bottle later. Sounds good. I quite like this collection anyway. Yeah, welcome to the collection, Cockroach Burt. Thank you, Diesel. Much obliged.